It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have my Glam bag for the month of September 2023. We have our little card here. This is Find Your Groove. The Glam bag is a $13 a month monthly subscription. You get 5 deluxe size products in here for 13 bucks. So great way to try out products that you've never used before, or see how things work out for you. So great one to start with, and you can always use these little bags to travel with, which is my favorite part. So the theme of the month is Find Your Groove, as our little card here says, and then they talk about Hispanic Heritage Month on the back. On the inside, guys, we have our products that we're going to review that's in our bag with a value. Sometimes they have it there and a brief description about what the product is about. So we're going to get started and review this Glam bag for September 2023. So guys, the first item out of my bag is a skincare item. We have an Innis Pure Cleaning Clay Mask here, and I am not familiar with this company at all. It says with sugar volcanic clusters. I like a good mask. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's kind of grayish. And let's see what our little information says here on our card. Innis Pore Cleansing Clay Mask 2 times with super volcanic clusters. This face mask is a serious pore cleansing mission. It's powered by absorbic volcanic clusters and has some lactic acid in it, and it helps to clear out pores while it exfoliates. So this mask will just stay on for 15 to 20 minutes on your skin, and you would just rinse off. So again, this is the Innisfree is the name of the company, and this is their pore cleansing clay mask. So let's go on to see what else is in my bag. The next thing I have is I have a deluxe sample of the Tarte Amazon Clay. This is their 16-hour foundation. I have the color Deep Sand, and that is number, they have 615. So let's just take a swatch of this. I'm not sure if it'll work, will work. I don't know. Never know sometimes until you get on. Oh man, they got the little thingy on here. All right, I'm gonna pull the safety tab off of here so we can see what this looks like, and I'm gonna just tap it out with my finger so we can kind of have an idea. So this is the color right here, the little dot, and let's kind of tap it out, and then we can kind of see if this is going to work. Sometimes these colors can work like after you contour and stuff, even if they're just a tad bit lighter. They don't have to be perfect, but it does need to be somewhat realistic. So looks like it's kind of workable. Alright, so that's what the color blends out on my hand and looks like. So that is the Amazon Clay 16-hour foundation, and they don't have any price, and I don't imagine there would be one for that little sample. This is a whipped mousse foundation. It glides on your skin like silk and blurs seamlessly into your skin. I would say it blurred. Don't you think it looked like it blurred to me? I would say that's a true statement. And it says this brand's poreless technology helps to reduce the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles, so you can get the most sought after airbrush finish. So I think that's pretty cool. So let's see what else is in here. So at least we got a makeup product, you know. So we have another skincare product. We have a lotion. This is a body lotion by Levito, and this is their aromatic body lotion, and hydrate, nourish, and protect. And I'm sure this says a safety seal that I can't even test it out. Yeah, it got a safety seal, so I can't even test it out. I'm gonna see if I can smell anything. It smells very earthy, like a, I don't know, sort of like a bergamot or something. Oh, it's patchouli. That's what I'm smelling. So it has patchouli, vanilla, and jojoba in this body lotion here. And let's see, patchouli and vanilla, and it says this decadent body lotion not only nourishes and hydrates your skin, but it also leaves behind the sweet and earthy fragrances of patchouli and vanilla. So that is a skincare item. So let's hit the next thing in our bag here. So the next thing I'm pulling up, we have, what is this? Beauty for Real. And this is looks like a lip gloss to me. This is, oh, it's an eyeshadow. It's a liquid eyeshadow, and it's in the color Twilight. I thought it was a lip gloss, so I'm all wrong. And it says it doesn't get any better than this glistening soft shade. And it says one swipe of this multi-dimensional liquid shade, and you will have yourself shining bright in the night. So that's pretty cool. I don't think I've tried any of their liquid eyeshadows. Beauty for Real. I thought we got like a matte lipstick in one of the other boxes that I had, but I've never tried out this. They got it all wrapped up, and I really don't feel like unwrapping it to swatch it. So I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. But this is the color for a liquid eyeshadow. I think this will be fun for going out too. So we have one more product to go, and we have Koki. This is a gel ink. This looks like a eyeliner, and it is. It's a gel ink dual-ended eyeliner in Amnesty and Matte Black. Oh, that's cool. And it says this baby has all the fierce liquid liner on one. And it says it's versatile gel liner on the other. So I think that's pretty cool. I like the gel liners though. I think they glide better when you do your eyeliner, and I think it looks better with the gel. I think you have a little bit more control than probably with the liquid. But I do prefer the gel, so this will work out perfect for me. So guys, in review, we have 5 deluxe size products in our bag. We have the Kiko gel and ink eyeliner, and Matte and Amnesty is the colors. They have it sealed up pretty good, but we know Amnesty is like a purple is what they have on here. I know you guys can't really see that much. And then I'm assuming this is the matte black side. We have Beauty for Real. We have their liquid multi-chrome eyeshadow. We have Lavido aromatheric body lotion in patchouli and vanilla. And we have Innisfree. This is their charcoal clay mask, or clearing clay mask. And then we also have the Tarte Amazon Clay. This is their foundation, 16-hour wear in the color Deep Sand 615. So guys, in review, I would say this is okay. I like getting foundation because I love like trying out different foundations. So for me, that was perfect. We have 3 makeup products. So we have the foundation, the gel liner, and the multi-chrome eyeshadow. For the skincare, we have just the body lotion, and we have the pore cleansing mask here. So I would say that's pretty good. I mean, 13 bucks, you can't really beat that. You got a full, this is a full size eyeliner, by the way. This is not even a half one. And even this multi-chrome eyeshadow looks like this is like considered to be like a full size. I don't consider this like a deluxe. This looks like a full size to me as well. So to me, I say for the value, we got pretty good, and I'm pretty happy with what came. I guess nothing really blew me away. I did want to see how this Tarte foundation works, so that was probably one thing I was really hyped for. But I love getting these gel eyeliners. They're my favorite ones to use because they just glide better. So guys, in review, that is my bag. If you guys picked this up this month, please let me know what you thought of your bag for this month. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I would love to have you as a part of my family. I do post videos weekly, and I love sharing my subscriptions and unboxings and unbaggings with you guys. And I like to show you guys what I'm getting, and I would love to hear what you're getting too, because I'm just newsy and I just like know what other people getting. So so we can all share with each other, you know. But until next time, guys, I will see you on the next one. Bye.